Hi friends, today I'll be showing you how to make easy crafts with coconut shells. So this will be used as the cup and this as the cup's holder. Let's keep this aside. I'm not showing you how to make the cup holder. Okay, so here I have a knife and let's carefully clean it like this. I cleaned a little with the knife. Now let's keep the knife, and as you can see here I have a wired bit and a drill. So let's take the drill, insert the bit, screw it. Okay. Now let's keep it. Firstly, wear a mask. Okay, as you can see, I wore a mask. Now let's start cleaning. As you can see, this is how the whole thing would be. Okay, as you can see, the outer side is done. Now the inner side. Take it. Okay, so we're done with the outer side. And next, let's do the inner side. And insert the bit inside. See, we finished the inner side and the outer side. So this, let's keep this aside, and as you can see, we did the same to the other one which I showed you at first, and that's what this is. The cup on top of the holder, and here I have a handle. There you go. Now let's start gluing it together. Okay, here we have a glue gun, and let's apply glue here. Okay, so we are applying glue. Okay, it started sticking. Okay, as you can see, the cup is drying, the glue is drying. So this is how the final product would be. Okay, now we are gonna stick the handle. Okay, it's about, okay, perfect. Okay, it's going to dry. It's drying. Here we go. Now we are done with our cup. See? Okay, so the first craft is done. Okay, so we finished making it. If you want, you could keep it, you could use it for real use like this itself, or you could decorate it by painting and more things. The first craft is done. Let's start the second one. Okay, so the second craft is a mini bowl. So for the bowl, we have a part of a coconut shell. Let's keep it aside. Let's take our power drill and a wired bit. Insert it. Now let's start. Okay. And as you see, this is the last and final area. So okay, the outer side is done. Now it's the inner side. It's so dusty, so let's put on a mask. As you see, we finished the inner side and the outer side. So we We don't need the drill anymore. Let's remove the bit. We don't need the bit, and let's keep the drill aside. As you see, we are done. I cut a small ring out of another coconut shell like this, and then we are using this as the base to hold the bowl like this. Okay, so as you see here, we need to do some more things. So let's take the drill, keep it, and as you see, we need this polishing bit. We are ready. As you see, this way is too small for this big bit. Let's remove this and let's take a smaller size. Okay, so we are done, and okay, let's pour glue. Okay. Okay, as you see, first we made a cup and at last a bowl. As I told you, we could use this in real life situations. As you see, I filled the cup with drinking water. You could try this at your own home. And the bowl with a biscuit. Showing you one more bowl, which is a big one. So here since it's a big coconut, I'm using a big brush. Now it's ready to start. Let's start with now let's make the ring for the bowl. Cut it with a hacksaw blade, as you see. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the stand, so we could fix the bowl like this. So let's stick it. Let's keep it. As you see, it's ready. We are done. Finally, with 3 products. And the first one was a cup. The second one was a small bowl. And at last, the big bowl. And I'll show you how to use it in real life.
As I told you, I'll show you how we can use it in real life. See, in the small bowl, I kept 2 biscuits. In the big bowl, I kept some chips, and in the cup, some water. You could try all this by yourself at your own